The Drake equation and the probability of alien life. The Drake equation is an attempt to estimate the number of active, communicative extraterrestrial civilizations in our galaxy. While many of its variables remain unknown, even conservative estimates suggest that life could be widespread. But if the numbers are so high, why haven't we detected any signals yet? Are we truly alone, or just looking in the wrong way? The dark matter mystery and the invisible universe. Dark matter makes up roughly 27% of the universe, yet we have never directly observed it. Scientists only infer its existence from its gravitational effects on galaxies and cosmic structures. Could dark matter be an undiscovered type of particle? Or is it evidence of an entirely new branch of physics beyond our current understanding? The holographic principle and reality as an illusion. Some physicists propose that our entire universe might be a hologram, a three-dimensional projection of information encoded on a two-dimensional boundary. If this is true, what does it mean for our perception of space, time, and reality itself? Could everything we experience be an illusion projected from a deeper cosmic layer? The Zoo hypothesis and hidden alien observers. The Zoo hypothesis suggests that advanced extraterrestrial civilizations are aware of our existence, but deliberately avoid contact, much like humans observing animals in a protected reserve. If this is true, what criteria might they use to determine when or if they should reveal themselves? Could we be unknowingly living in a cosmic nature preserve? Some galaxies appear to be composed almost entirely of dark matter, with very few visible stars. These dark galaxies challenge our understanding of galaxy formation and suggest that the cosmos may contain vast hidden structures we have yet to detect. Could entire civilizations exist in dark matter galaxies invisible to us? In quantum mechanics, the observer effect suggests that the mere act of observing a particle can change its behavior. Some interpretations imply that consciousness plays a fundamental role in shaping reality. Does this mean that reality only exists when observed? If so, what does that say about the nature of the universe itself? Some theorists propose that advanced alien civilizations form a galactic club, a network of interstellar societies that only welcome species once they reach a certain level of technological or ethical maturity. If such a club exists, what criteria must we meet to join? Could we be failing some unknown cosmic test? In 2017, astronomers detected Oumuamua, a strange cigar-shaped object that zipped through our solar system at an unusual speed. Some scientists suggest it was just a natural rock, but others speculate it could have been an alien probe or a piece of advanced extraterrestrial technology. Could interstellar travelers be watching us without us even realizing it? The panspermia hypothesis suggests that life on Earth may have originated from space, carried by comets or meteorites. If this is true, does that mean life is a universal phenomenon seeded across countless planets? Could our own ancestors have been extraterrestrial in origin? A Dyson sphere is a hypothetical structure built around a star to capture nearly all its energy output. If advanced alien civilizations exist, they may already have constructed such megastructures. Could unusual star-dimming events be signs of extraterrestrial engineering on a massive scale? The dark forest hypothesis and cosmic silence. This chilling theory suggests that the universe is silent because intelligent civilizations hide to avoid detection, fearing destruction by hostile alien species. If this is true, should we be broadcasting our existence into space, or could that be inviting disaster? The WOW signal and the search for alien messages. In 1977, astronomers detected a mysterious radio signal from space dubbed the WOW signal, which has never been repeated or explained. Was this an accidental transmission from an alien civilization or just an unknown cosmic anomaly? In 2020, scientists detected phosphine gas in Venus's atmosphere, a potential biosignature of microbial life. Could alien life exist in the upper layers of Venus, thriving in its harsh, acidic clouds? Moons like Europa, Enceladus and Titan are believed to harbour massive subsurface oceans beneath their icy crusts. With water being a key ingredient for life, could alien ecosystems be thriving beneath these frozen shells? If humanity were to vanish, what traces of our civilization would survive? Could alien explorers millions of years from now uncover evidence of our existence, fossilized cities, space probes, or even DNA remnants? Some scientists speculate that advanced extraterrestrial civilizations may have already transitioned into artificial intelligence or machine-based life forms. Could this explain why we haven't encountered organic alien species, because they no longer exist in biological form? Dark matter? When scientists calculated the total visible mass of galaxies, they found that something massive was missing: dark matter. Without it, galaxies wouldn't have enough gravity to hold themselves together. What is this invisible substance that makes up so much of our universe? The Bullet Cluster is a collision of two galaxy clusters, where visible matter and gravitational effects don't align. It's one of the strongest pieces of evidence that dark matter exists. Could this mysterious substance be the key to unlocking an entirely new branch of physics? Some scientists believe dark matter is made of WIMPs, weakly interacting massive particles. But despite decades of searching, no one has detected them. Could dark matter be something even stranger than we imagine? The axion theory and the ghostly particles. An alternative theory suggests dark matter is made of axions, ultralight particles that could be floating all around us without interacting with normal matter. If axions exist, could they help explain other cosmic mysteries like dark energy? The dark matter galaxy rotation problem. Galaxies rotate in a way that defies the laws of gravity, unless an unseen mass is providing extra gravitational pull. Dark matter is the leading explanation, but what if the laws of physics themselves need revision? The primordial black holes and dark matter link. Some theories suggest that primordial black holes, formed in the early universe, could make up dark matter. If true, could these invisible black holes be lurking all around us? The universe appears to be structured like a giant web, with galaxies forming along vast, dark matter filaments. Does this unseen framework hold the universe together like cosmic scaffolding? Some researchers believe dark matter interacts through an unknown fifth force beyond gravity, electromagnetism, and the nuclear forces. Could dark matter be the key to discovering entirely new laws of physics? Sterile neutrinos are hypothetical particles that could interact only through gravity, making them a strong dark matter candidate. Could these ghostly particles be filling the universe, shaping galaxies in ways we don't yet understand? Some scientists propose a dark sector, an entire hidden realm of physics where dark matter could have its own particles, forces and interactions. Could there be entire dark civilizations evolving in this parallel world, completely undetectable to us? Nature of reality. Could our universe be a simulation created by an advanced civilization? If so, are we merely artificial intelligence inside a hyper-realistic cosmic program? Some physicists suggest that conscious entities, Boltzmann brains, could randomly form in the vastness of space due to quantum fluctuations. If intelligence can arise spontaneously, could the entire universe itself be a vast, self-aware consciousness? In quantum physics, particles exist in a state of probability until observed. Does consciousness play an active role in shaping reality itself? Some quantum theories suggest that events in the future can influence the past. Could time be an illusion, where cause and effect work in both directions? The quantum multiverse and infinite realities. According to quantum mechanics, every decision spawns new parallel universes. If true, are infinite versions of you living out different lives right now? The eternal inflation and infinite universes. Some cosmologists believe new universes are constantly forming, making reality an endless cosmic foam. Could there be infinite versions of reality beyond our own? Extraterrestrial life. The astrobiological Goldilocks zone and the habitability of planets. The Goldilocks zone is the region around a star where conditions are just right for liquid water to exist. But what if life doesn't need water? Could alien life forms exist in extreme environments we wouldn't even consider habitable? The alien super-Earths and the best planets for life. Some exoplanets, known as super-Earths, are larger than Earth, but smaller than Neptune. They may have thick atmospheres, stronger magnetic fields and stable climates, making them even better for life than our own planet. Could the most habitable worlds in the universe be ones we've never set foot on? The Silurian hypothesis and the possibility of prehistoric aliens. Could an intelligent species have existed on Earth before humans? If an advanced civilization rose and fell millions of years ago, would we even be able to detect its remnants today? The xenobiology and the possibility of radically different life forms. Life on Earth is carbon-based, but some scientists believe alien life could be silicon-based or even thrive in exotic chemical environments like methane lakes. Could the search for life be too narrow, causing us to miss truly alien species? '37. The neural network universe and cosmic consciousness. Some researchers suggest that large-scale cosmic structures resemble neural networks in the brain. Could the universe itself be a vast, self-aware entity? 38. The shadow biosphere and undetected alien life on Earth. What if alien life already exists on Earth but is so fundamentally different that we don't recognize it? Some scientists speculate that shadow life could be thriving in extreme environments, completely unnoticed. 39. The quantum communication and instant alien messaging. Could alien civilizations use quantum entanglement to send information instantly across space? If so, are we looking for signals in the wrong way, missing an advanced communication network already in use? 40. The extraterrestrial AI and machines as the first contact. If an alien species has developed artificial intelligence, would we ever meet the biological beings who created it, or only their AI emissaries? Could we accidentally mistake alien AI for the civilization itself? The interstellar probes and undetected alien visitors. Just as we've sent the Voyager spacecraft beyond our solar system, could alien civilizations have sent robotic probes long ago? Could such probes be lurking in our own cosmic backyard, watching us unnoticed? The galactic colonization dilemma and the absence of alien empires. If intelligent life is common, why haven't we seen evidence of large-scale colonization across the galaxy? Is there something preventing civilizations from expanding, or do advanced species deliberately avoid territorial expansion? The self-interacting dark matter and the possibility of dark galaxies. Some theories propose that dark matter might interact with itself through a hidden force. Could there be dark galaxies, complete with dark planets and possibly even dark life? Astronomers discovered a galaxy that appears to lack dark matter, challenging our understanding of cosmic structures. Could this suggest dark matter is not a fundamental part of all galaxies, but rather a result of some unknown cosmic process? Dark matter bends light from distant galaxies through gravitational lensing, allowing us to map its presence. Could the strange warping of light reveal entire hidden structures in the universe? Some researchers believe dark matter could be made of ultralight particles that behave more like a quantum wave than traditional matter. Could dark matter exist in multiple states at once, affecting galaxies in unpredictable ways? The dark matter decay and the ultimate fate of the cosmos. If dark matter is slowly decaying, it could change the fate of the universe. Could the mysterious force holding galaxies together one day vanish, leading to a cosmic collapse? The dark matter wind and its presence on Earth. As Earth moves through the galaxy, some scientists believe we are constantly bombarded by a dark matter wind. If we could detect this wind, could we finally unlock the nature of dark matter? Antimatter is rare in our universe, but could it be linked to dark matter? If dark matter has an antimatter counterpart, could it explain why our universe is mostly made of normal matter? Dark matter isn't evenly distributed. It forms clumps and filaments that guide galaxy formation. Could mapping these structures lead us to new physics or even uncover signs of intelligent manipulation? If dark matter has exotic properties, could it be harnessed for faster-than-light travel? Could dark matter be the key to unlocking interstellar travel? Every galaxy is surrounded by an invisible dark matter halo that stabilizes its rotation. Could dark matter halos play a deeper role in cosmic evolution, influencing star formation and galactic interactions in ways we don't yet understand? In quantum mechanics, particles exist in multiple states until observed. Could the universe itself be in a state of quantum superposition, with multiple realities existing at once? Scientists have discovered time crystals, structures that oscillate in a repeating pattern without using energy. Could they provide insights into a deeper hidden order of time? Some theories suggest that quantum events can be influenced by future choices. Could our actions today be shaping the past in ways we don't yet understand? Some physicists believe the universe isn't just described by math, it is math. Could reality itself be nothing more than a vast mathematical structure? The universe may not have had a single Big Bang, but instead undergoes infinite cycles of expansion and contraction. Are we just one in a never-ending series of universes? At the smallest scales, space itself may be a turbulent quantum foam, with particles constantly appearing and disappearing. Could this chaotic foundation be the true nature of reality? Some physicists believe the universe can be explained by an elegant 8-dimensional geometric structure known as E8. Could this hidden symmetry be the foundation of all reality? Black holes seem to suggest that information is stored on their surfaces. Could this mean that our entire universe is a projection from a deeper layer of reality? If everything in the universe was once entangled at the Big Bang, does that mean everything is still connected in ways we don't yet understand? What if the universe is a self-generated simulation within a cosmic consciousness? Could we all be experiencing an illusion, much like a dream? Just as planets have habitable zones around stars, entire galaxies have habitable zones. Too close to the galactic core and radiation is too intense, too far, and there may not be enough heavy elements for complex life. Could Earth be in the perfect spot for life? Mysterious fast radio bursts, or FRBs, come from deep space, lasting milliseconds but releasing enormous energy. Are they natural astrophysical phenomena, or could they be artificial beacons from an advanced civilization? Some astrobiologists speculate that alien life could resemble fungi more than animals or plants. Could vast fungal networks exist underground or in extreme alien environments, acting as planetary superorganisms? Life on Earth has been found thriving miles below the surface, in deep caves and under glaciers. Could entire alien biospheres exist underground, hidden from view beneath planetary crusts? The Kardashev scale measures civilization advancement based on energy use. Type 1 harnesses planetary energy. Type 2 uses the energy of an entire star. Type 3 controls a galaxy's energy. Could there be civilizations so advanced they manipulate entire galaxies without us knowing? Some scientists believe that instead of carbon-based life, silicon-based life could exist, thriving in extreme environments. Could we be searching for the wrong kind of biology? If aliens exist, would their consciousness be anything like ours? Could they have completely different senses, perceptions of time, or even a hive mind structure? Some physicists suggest that civilizations could exist around black holes, using their immense energy for power. Could advanced beings have adapted to thrive in one of the most hostile environments in the universe? If an alien species is millions or even billions of years ahead of us, their technology could seem indistinguishable from magic. Could entire cosmic phenomena like pulsars or gamma-ray bursts actually be the remnants of ancient alien engineering? What if long-dead alien civilizations left behind technological ruins on asteroids, moons, or rogue planets? Could evidence of their existence be drifting through space, waiting to be discovered? Some theories suggest the first stars were powered not by nuclear fusion, but by dark matter annihilation. Could some stars still be burning through dark matter today? If dark matter clumps together, could entire dark matter planets exist? If so, would they be completely undetectable, or could their gravity subtly influence normal matter? While dark matter pulls galaxies together, dark energy pushes the universe apart. Are these two forces connected, or could they be competing effects of a deeper unknown physics? If black holes consume dark matter, could this create entirely new types of exotic physics inside them? Could dark matter play a role in what happens beyond the event horizon? Some unexplained gravitational effects hint that dark matter could be composed of multiple types of exotic particles, each with different properties. Could there be an entire dark periodic table of elements? In the early universe, dark matter may have created sound waves that shaped the structure of galaxies. Could these ancient echoes still be detectable today? The dark matter volcanoes and mysterious cosmic signals. Some researchers believe pockets of dark matter could occasionally explode, releasing bursts of energy. Could unexplained cosmic radio signals be signs of these dark matter eruptions? The dark matter chemistry and the possibility of dark molecules. Could dark matter form molecules just like ordinary matter? If so, could entire dark chemistry processes be at work, forming unseen structures across the cosmos? The hidden dark matter layers of planets and stars. If dark matter interacts weakly with normal matter, could layers of dark matter be hidden inside planets, stars, or even within the sun itself? The dark matter mirrors and parallel universes. Some theories suggest dark matter could be a mirror universe. a reflection of our own, where gravity leaks between the two realities. Could an entire dark universe exist alongside ours? Nature of reality. 83. The quantum Zeno effect and freezing time. In quantum mechanics, continuous observation can prevent a system from changing. Could this mean that reality itself is shaped by observation in ways we don't yet understand? 84. The conformal cyclic cosmology and the eternal universe. Some physicists propose that the universe didn't start with a single Big Bang, but instead continuously recycles itself, with each cosmic era giving birth to the next. Could our reality be part of an infinite loop? The holographic universe and the information paradox. Some theories suggest that all three-dimensional reality is actually encoded on a two-dimensional surface at the edge of the universe. Could everything we experience be nothing more than a cosmic hologram? The quantum brain hypothesis and the nature of thought. Some neuroscientists believe that consciousness itself might rely on quantum processes in the brain. Could human thought be linked to the fundamental fabric of the universe? The space-time foam and the quantum structure of reality. At the smallest scales, space and time may be chaotic and unpredictable, filled with bubbles of warped space-time. Could this be the true nature of the fabric of reality? The multiple time dimensions and alternative temporal realities. What if time isn't a simple one-way arrow, but actually has multiple dimensions? Could there be parallel timelines we are unable to perceive? The quantum gravity and the end of space-time. Some theories suggest that at the smallest scale, space and time dissolve into pure quantum probabilities. Could this mean reality itself is just a collection of statistical possibilities? The Dreamtime universe. Hypothesis and reality as a collective dream. Some philosophical ideas suggest that all of reality is a shared dreamlike state. Could the universe itself be an emergent phenomenon of a vast, unknown consciousness? The cosmic consciousness hypothesis and the self-aware universe. Some interpretations of quantum mechanics suggest that the universe may be self-aware. Could consciousness be a fundamental force in the cosmos? The final anthropic principle and the end of reality. Some physicists propose that life and consciousness must eventually dominate the universe. Could intelligence be the ultimate force that shapes the fate of reality? Extraterrestrial life. The zoo hypothesis and why aliens avoid us. Some scientists speculate that advanced extraterrestrials may be deliberately avoiding contact, observing us like animals in a cosmic zoo. Are we unknowingly part of an interstellar experiment? The post-biological aliens and the end of flesh and blood. If a civilization advances far enough, it might abandon biological bodies entirely, becoming digital consciousness or AI entities. Are the most advanced aliens not even organic anymore? The Dyson swarm and alien megastructures. Instead of a Dyson sphere around a star, alien civilizations might build a swarm of solar-collecting satellites, harvesting energy more efficiently. Could strange dimming stars be evidence of these structures? The interstellar panspermia and life spreading through space. Life on Earth could have originated from space, hitching a ride on asteroids or comets. If this happened here, could alien life be seeded across multiple planets? The organic molecules in space and the ingredients for life. Complex organic molecules, including amino acids, have been detected in deep space. Could life be inevitable, forming wherever conditions are right? The extraterrestrial megafauna and alien giants. Different planetary conditions could create massive alien creatures, much larger than anything on Earth. Could low-gravity worlds be home to mile-long organisms? The energy-based life and plasma aliens. Life might not require physical bodies at all. Some theories propose energy-based beings, possibly living in the atmospheres of gas giants or even inside stars. The SETI paradox and why we haven't heard from aliens. If so many exoplanets exist, why haven't we detected clear alien signals? Could it be that advanced civilizations use communication methods we don't yet understand? The exoplanet methane mystery and alien biology. Methane is considered a possible biosignature in exoplanet atmospheres. If we find large amounts of methane on another planet, could it mean life is thriving there? The hyper-civilizations and the cosmic scale of intelligence. Some theorists suggest that truly advanced civilizations might manipulate entire galaxies or even universes. Could such beings exist far beyond our understanding? Dark matter. The dark matter. Oceans and hidden substances in the universe. Some theories propose that dark matter might behave like a fluid, forming vast, invisible oceans in space. Could unknown celestial objects be floating within them? The dark matter. Hurricanes and galactic storms. As the Milky Way moves through dark matter, it may create dark matter storms. Could these unseen forces affect our solar system? The primordial black holes and the dark matter alternative. Some physicists propose that dark matter isn't a particle, but actually tiny, ancient black holes from the early universe. Could the missing mass of the cosmos be locked inside these strange objects? The dark matter stars and exotic solar systems. If dark matter can interact with itself, could it form entirely new types of stars powered by unknown physics? The WIMP versus Axion debate and the search for dark matter particles. Scientists have two leading candidates for dark matter, weakly interacting massive particles, or WIMPs and axions. Which one, if either, is the true missing ingredient of the universe? The dark matter life forms and the hidden universe. If dark matter can form structures, could entire dark ecosystems exist completely separate from our own? The dark matter bridges and cosmic superstructures. Some studies suggest that dark matter forms massive cosmic bridges between galaxies. Could these unseen structures be influencing the movement of the universe? The dark matter and time distortions. Could dark matter affect time itself, creating local distortions in the flow of reality? The galactic rotation mystery and dark matter's role. Spiral galaxies rotate as if held together by invisible hands. Could dark matter be forming unseen scaffolding, keeping them from flying apart? The dark energy switch and the fate of the universe. If dark energy shifts in strength over time, could it eventually reverse, collapsing the universe in a big crunch? Nature of reality. The observer effect and reality, depending on consciousness. In quantum mechanics, a particle exists in many states until observed. Could reality itself only exist because we are here to perceive it? The emergent space-time and the illusion of space. Some physicists propose that space itself is not fundamental, but rather emerges from a deeper level of physics. Could space be a mere illusion? The quantum consciousness hypothesis and the mind as a quantum system. Could human consciousness be linked to quantum effects, allowing the mind to operate beyond classical physics? The retrocausality theory and future events affecting the past. Could time be bidirectional, with future events influencing the past just as much as the past determines the future? The multiple Big Bangs and parallel universes. Instead of one Big Bang, some theories suggest multiple Big Bangs have occurred, each creating a separate universe. The simulation paradox and the levels of reality. If we are in a simulation, could our simulators also be simulated by an even higher intelligence? Where does the chain end? The Planck scale and the smallest unit of reality. Below a certain size, the Planck length, space and time might cease to exist in a conventional sense. Could reality itself be pixelated? The quantum tunneling and instant travel. Particles can tunnel through barriers they shouldn't be able to pass. Could similar effects allow information or even consciousness to travel faster than light? Some physicists argue that time is not a fundamental property of reality, but an illusion created by our perception. Could the universe exist without time at all? The self-similar universe and cosmic fractals. Some patterns in nature repeat at all scales. Could the entire universe itself be a fractal, endlessly repeating at different levels of structure? Extraterrestrial life. The shadow biosphere and undetected life on Earth. Some scientists propose that alien-like life could already exist on Earth, but we simply haven't recognized it. Could microbes based on silicon or arsenic be living unnoticed in extreme environments? The Venusian cloud life and floating aliens. Venus's clouds contain strange chemical signatures, including phosphine, a gas that could indicate biological activity. Could life exist in the high-altitude clouds of Venus, floating like aerial plankton? Oxygen is essential for complex life on Earth, but it's also highly reactive and can be toxic. Could alien life have evolved without oxygen, relying on completely different chemical reactions? Earth plants use green chlorophyll, but alien plants could use purple, red, or even black pigments to absorb different types of light. Could exoplanet forests look completely alien to us? Could life exist near neutron stars, using their intense magnetic fields for energy instead of light? If so, could such beings be entirely magnetically based? Tardigrades, tiny Earth organisms, can survive in space without protection. If life can endure such extreme conditions, could microbes hitchhike between planets and stars? The Moon has been a stable, untouched place for billions of years. If ancient aliens visited the solar system long ago, could their technology still be hidden somewhere on its surface? Instead of radio waves, advanced aliens might use gravitational waves, quantum entanglement, or dark matter signals to communicate. Could we be looking for the wrong signals? Most life we imagine is carbon-based, but could boron, silicon, or ammonia-based life be thriving on other planets? Could we even recognize such beings as living? Instead of biological aliens, advanced civilizations might send self-replicating AI probes to explore and colonize the galaxy. Could such machines already be drifting through our solar system? If dark matter interacts with time differently than regular matter, could it allow for time loops or shortcuts through time? Some galaxies appear to be made almost entirely of dark matter with very few stars. Could there be entire invisible galaxies made purely of dark matter? If dark matter clumps together, could it form enormous planet-sized objects that are completely undetectable except for their gravity? Some theories suggest that dark matter might slowly decay over time. If so, could the disintegration of dark matter be what ultimately destroys the universe? Dark matter doesn't interact with normal matter via electromagnetism, but could it interact with the weak nuclear force? If so, could we eventually manipulate it? Every second, dark matter particles pass through our bodies without us noticing. Could there be ways to detect their effects on biological processes? Dark matter bends light, creating cosmic gravitational lenses that allow us to see distant galaxies. Could dark matter be used to create a natural telescope to observe the most ancient parts of the universe? If dark matter can form structures, could there be entire civilizations living in a parallel dark matter world invisible to us? Some scientists speculate that dark matter could accumulate inside planets, affecting their magnetic fields and geology. Could dark matter be influencing Earth's climate or tectonic activity? Could dark energy, the mysterious force causing the universe to expand, be a form of intelligence rather than just a physical phenomenon? In some quantum interpretations, a person who undergoes a lethal quantum experiment would always survive in at least one timeline. Does this mean consciousness hops between realities? Some physicists argue that if the universe is infinite, then random self-aware entities, known as Boltzmann brains, should randomly pop into existence. Could we be one of them? Quantum mechanics suggests that observing a particle can change what happened in the past. Could the very act of measuring reality rewrite history? What if every time we dream, we are actually visiting a parallel universe? Could dreams be a gateway to alternative versions of reality? Some theories suggest that the universe itself might be conscious, with intelligence emerging at the largest scales. Our universe might be in a temporary energy state. If it ever drops to a more stable state, everything, including space-time, could instantly disappear. Some cosmologists believe new universes are constantly forming in a cosmic bubble chain reaction. Could we be just one of an infinite number of realities? Could reality be nothing more than information, like a vast cosmic program running on an unknown machine? Some researchers speculate that consciousness isn't confined to the brain, but is part of a larger non-local field. Could the mind exist outside space and time? If reality is dependent on observers, what happens when the last conscious being dies? Does the universe itself cease to exist? Life on Earth thrives deep underground, completely separate from sunlight. Could entire alien biospheres exist beneath the surfaces of Mars, Europa, or Titan? If extraterrestrial life is based on DNA-like molecules, could the same genetic code exist across the universe? Did life on Earth originate from an ancient cosmic gene pool? Some UFO theorists believe that fragments of alien technology might already be here, hidden or misunderstood. Could we have pieces of extraterrestrial metal or machinery without realizing it? What if the first intelligent civilizations weren't biological at all? Could artificial intelligence be the dominant form of life in the cosmos? Some moons, like Europa, Enceladus and Titan, have underground oceans, thick atmospheres or active chemistry. Could moons be more habitable than planets? Exoplanets have diamond rain, molten iron storms and winds moving faster than the speed of sound. Could life exist in such extreme environments? Could alien civilizations be communicating across the galaxy using high-energy bursts, neutrino beams, or quantum entanglement? Are we simply not listening in the right way? Mysterious fast radio bursts, or FRBs, come from deep space with some repeating in strange patterns. Are they natural cosmic phenomena or evidence of alien technology? If aliens evolved on planets with different day lengths, could they have completely different sleep cycles, brain functions, or states of consciousness? Silicon, like carbon, can form complex molecules. Could there be rock-like or crystalline creatures on high-temperature exoplanets? Some theories suggest dark matter may behave like a wave, rippling through space rather than existing as individual particles. Could we be swimming in an invisible dark ocean? If dark matter interacts differently with gravity, could it form black holes that behave in strange, unknown ways? Some galaxies appear to be completely dominated by dark matter with little to no normal stars. Could these be hidden realms of physics we don't yet understand? If dark matter interacts with gravity in an unusual way, could it be harnessed for faster-than-light travel or warp drives? If dark matter exists in a different phase of physics, could it have its own time dimension, separate from our perception of time? Could dark matter clump into structures that function like stars, emitting no light but still exerting gravity on nearby objects? Some theories suggest that dark matter could accumulate in the cores of planets, possibly influencing their weather or geology in ways we've never considered. If advanced civilizations have mastered dark matter, could they build stealth starships that are completely undetectable by our instruments? If dark matter can interact in complex ways, could it form self-aware entities that exist beyond our perception? Some scientists theorize that dark matter slowly changes over time, possibly playing a role in the long-term evolution of the universe. Some physicists believe that our three-dimensional universe is actually a hologram, projected from a two-dimensional surface. Could space itself be an illusion? Could human thought exist in a quantum state, meaning consciousness itself is a superposition of possibilities? If AI becomes advanced enough, could a simulated mind become self-aware, blurring the line between artificial and real consciousness? In strange mathematical models, space isn't flat or even curved. It behaves in completely incomprehensible ways. Could our universe be shaped by rules we can't yet grasp? Some theories propose that space and time are made up of tiny, discrete units, meaning reality might be pixelated at the smallest scale. If reality requires observation, could the universe itself only exist because of conscious minds? If the multiverse exists, could different versions of your consciousness exist in alternate realities? Could dreaming be a glimpse into these other worlds? What if intelligent beings exist outside our four-dimensional perception of space-time, operating in a higher dimensional reality beyond our comprehension? Some researchers speculate that consciousness might be a fundamental force, existing at the very core of reality, like gravity or electromagnetism. If two people perceive an event differently, which one is real? Could reality itself be subjective, existing only in the interactions between observers? Advanced alien civilizations may have abandoned biology altogether, transferring their minds into machines or digital networks. Could the most advanced life forms in the universe be purely artificial? What if alien intelligence is so advanced that we physically can't comprehend it? Like an ant trying to understand human technology. Some theories suggest that advanced civilizations may build enormous structures around stars to capture all their energy. Could mysterious astronomical signals actually be signs of artificial megastructures? If aliens evolved in a reality with different physics, they might not interact with normal matter at all. Could an entire parallel civilization exist right in front of us, unseen? The Kardashev scale ranks civilizations by their energy usage. Type 1 controls all energy on their planet, Type 2 harnesses the energy of an entire star, and Type 3 uses the energy of an entire galaxy. Could Type 3 civilizations be manipulating entire star systems without us noticing? Do aliens dream? If consciousness is a fundamental property of the universe, could dreams be a universal experience across intelligent species? Some scientists propose that advanced aliens know about us, but have chosen not to make contact, treating us like animals in a cosmic nature preserve. Are we being observed? Math seems universal, but could alien civilizations use completely different logic or numbering systems that we can't understand? If intelligent life is common, could there be massive intergalactic empires spanning millions of light years? Could Earth be in a quiet zone, isolated from the action? If aliens have music, would it be based on mathematical patterns, electromagnetic waves, or something beyond human senses? Could we recognize alien art if we saw it? Could entire dark matter planets exist, orbiting stars but completely invisible to our telescopes? Some theories suggest dark matter might have its own forces and interactions, separate from the ones we know: gravity, electromagnetism, nuclear forces. Could there be an entire dark physics we've never discovered? By studying its gravitational effects, scientists have mapped out dark matter across the universe. Could these maps reveal hidden patterns or structures we don't yet understand? Some scientists propose that the universe creates itself by observing itself, a loop where consciousness and reality are inseparable. Could the act of thinking literally shape existence? Physicists are searching for a single equation that explains all forces and particles in the universe. If we discover it, could it unlock new realities or dimensions? Could the universe be a self-repeating structure where each new universe gives birth to another, endlessly cycling through time? Some theories suggest that consciousness may exist at the fundamental level of matter, meaning that even the tiniest particles have a primitive form of awareness. Will reality itself collapse one day? If the universe is a simulation, could it be turned off? If reality is dependent on observers, what happens when the last conscious being dies?